Welcome back to Healthline Champions, where we bring you the latest and greatest in health trends. Today, we're talking about a popular remedy known as the Castor Oil Pack. You may be familiar with castor oil for its laxative properties, but it has other benefits too. A castor oil pack can help reduce inflammation and improve circulation in the body. It's like a warm hug for your insides, cozy and soothing. But don't go chugging castor oil just yet. The pack is where it's at. To make a pack, you'll need castor oil, a cloth, and a hot water bottle. Soak the cloth in castor oil, place it on your abdomen, and cover it with the hot water bottle. It's like a DIY spa day, but for your gut. The heat helps the oil penetrate deep into the tissues, promoting detoxification and healing. Just be careful not to stain your favorite pajamas. It's called castor oil for a reason. For maximum benefit, relax with the pack on for at least 30 minutes. You can use this time to meditate, read a book, or catch up on your favorite show. But maybe steer clear of comedy specials. Laughter and oil don't mix well. If you're feeling extra fancy, add a drop of essential oil for a spa-like experience. Some people even claim it helps with stress relief and hormone balance. Just remember, it's not a cure-all, but it's a nice addition to your self-care routine. And hey, if nothing else, it gives you an excuse to lay down and do nothing for a while. So why not give it a try and see how you feel? If you're enjoying our content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Healthline Champions.